Okay, so we're going to be repairing this because I was racing it, and so I'm waiting for the company to respond, but I need some more of these pins because I lost all of them except for those two. I need more of these little lug nuts. They keep flying off while I'm driving. Definitely need new tires. They're just completely bald. Definitely need new replacement parts. And right now I got to replace the one ball joint because it flew out while I was racing. So it's no longer, this one's no longer on because the ball joint fell out. Let's see if I can get. See? Alright, so the first part's done, taking off the pins in the body. Just gotta take it off now. Start doing this with one hand. Now we're left with the body. We got the wheels off, all the lug nuts there. Just gotta take it apart now. Okay, so we exchanged some parts of the body, like the hood. I mean, not the hood, the roof, the little tail fin back here. We're gonna change the tires too to these racing tires. We've got the spare ballpoint ready. Alright, we've got everything apart except for the front. We need to switch the front gear for springs with the rear springs. These silver ones need to be swapped with the orange ones. The orange ones need to be swapped with the silver ones. So we have everything apart. We have all the parts we need. And let's go repairing. Okay, we got the new racing gears swapped out. Took out that. We just need to get to these front ones now. Alright, hours later, and I finished the car drag racing variant. Okay, I installed a new little ball joint. And now it's finished. I might add a little bit of tape so the pins don't fall off, because I keep losing those, and those are my last two. Alright, installed the drag racing variant. Okay, lowest speed setting. Fastest setting. Ow. Sorry, buddy. We had a bit of an accident, and ball joint broke because I hit a corner too hard. I hit a corner too hard. Yeah, it's literally sticking out right there. Oh boy.